What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be. Lakeith buys houses and land. So I'm at the investment property today. I got a draw request for, doesn't matter how much for, but I got a draw request today. So today I'm gonna walk you through what to look for on a draw request, because this will be the same thing that the lender's gonna look for when they come to the property, when you send them the request to get paid for what you say is done. So let's walk through and make sure it's all done. Just want to point out, you see that new window, and the window's going up. Got some stones going over here. So on the draw request, demo cabinets and fur. Let's go in and see that. See that's done. See, oh, look at this sheetrock right here. On this wasn't here in this door. It's different. Things are changing around here. Things are different. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up, man?
No. What's the matter with gallina?
Yeah, look at the sheetrock here. This is what it looks like upon completion. So this was all open, exposed, the sheetrock right here. This is right here, this is closed in. He taping bed. This is gonna look good. Look at the kitchen. Look at all that. Look at the cabinetry gone. Look at the holes all patched in. You can see so much of what is going to take place now. As far as the sheetrock goes, the new electrical goes, this is where the panel will go. Look at where the lights will go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights, spotlights right here. This will look good. All the walls where the outlets are patched up, everything is good on that. The electrical right here on the wall, this was exposed if you see it on the last video. As we continue to walk through, let's see if any other changes have happened. I requested 4 can lights in every room. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here's a draw request. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. Frame and labor, HVAC, somewhat completed. Exterior painting, keels, attic, sheetrock, patches, electrical changes. Looks good. Looks real good. Looks like he did that. Looks like they got sheetrock in here. That's cool. Basically, long story short, just whenever you're doing draws on your properties, always walk them. Always walk them before, because a lot of times it can save yourself a lot of headache, because the lender's going to come out and the lender's going to do their inspection before they send you the money. This is something that I don't think a lot of people are aware of. And just because it says $20,000 and that's what he says that he wants for the for what he's done for the work thus far, it might only really be about $13,000 worth of work, because there are some things in here. Just because they put it in doesn't mean that they did it or have completed it. And a lot of times when you're dealing with a lender, they don't wet land, they dry land. So what that means is they don't give you money for something that hasn't been done just because you say it's done. So they need whatever you're rehabbing or whatever you say that you're requesting a draw for, they request that it's adhered to the property. So you can't have cabinets in the kitchen and say, oh, I got cabinets installed, let me get paid for it, because you really don't have them installed. You just have them on the premises. Doesn't mean that you can't pick them up and take them somewhere else. So that's how they look at it. So you got to think like a bank. I got a YouTube video on how banks work. You should check that out. Also, my YouTube video on how to retire with an all-pro athlete contract in real estate. This is a really good example of just how banks work. You know, obviously this is not a product that I desire to keep because it's not in my business model. I usually keep all the new constructions, but this is a good way to flip money, as banks do. They take funds and liquidate assets, but they don't actually do the flipping of it. The money kind of does it for them. But I'm a solo investor, so I do it for myself, and you too can do it for yourself. Just continue to watch the videos. If you have any questions, comments, leave notes. Let me know what you're looking for, what I'm not touching on, because I want to make sure that I'm giving information that individuals are necessarily wanting. I'm just doing this. This is the way I live. So I'm just doing this day to day. But I want to make sure that you're getting what you want and what you need from this channel so you can grow. As I grow, we grow together. Lakeith buys houses and land. Thank you.